Hello. Hello everyone. I am Amelia. For today, I will be having a letter from my daughter Jonaline. Look, I'm having this right now. Surprise! That is my message of Jonaline's letter. Yay! I'm so excited to read this. I'm so excited talaga. Let's go. Hi. You say hello to Jonathan. Hello. 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 Go. Hello. Hello, Jonathan. Good afternoon. I'm gonna read your message from you. From your mommy. Let's read. Dear Jonathan daughter, I am the best of your daughters in our life. I am always happy, have a day together. Thank you for being with your mommy. The best. Thank you for the food. I am glad you are. We love you so much. I hope we can make this more. And thank you for saving me from the earthquake save. I'm so happy that you made for us to be happy, and thank you for taking care of me. I was a little, and I really happy. More always the best family. I'm so proud of you. Your mommy says sorry. I will not make mistake, and thank you for having dinner in our family, and I am so going on. I'm so excited for your day, and thank you. Thank you for having dinner together in our family. I'm so going on. I'm so excited for your day. Thank you for giving me gifts in my birthday. Our friendship with us. I love you, Jonathan. I am the perfect person that you know us. With more loving heart, and thank you for being friends with me. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. Thank you for having dinner together with Mom Chin Chin. You are a good family. She's a really cafe. The best of this cafe, you're working hard for me. You make me happy. A lot of food. And thank you, Jonathan. Thank you. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher Jonathan. You teach me how to answer my book. And I am so whatever you want. But Rachel is the best for her goodness. Thank you for coming with my birthday and my day of wishes and time. How to make me happy. Thank you for making drinks. How to learn to make coffee from your mom. Dear Jonathan, I'm so